Today is week 2 of doing the Slender plan with Protein World, so let's take a look at the results. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. I totally forgot to do an intro for this video. So I'm going to be looking the same at the beginning of the video as I am at the end, so please do excuse that. But yeah, this is week 2 of doing the Slender plan with Protein World. So yes, last week I lost 3 pounds, which I was absolutely over the moon with. Yeah, let's jump straight in to what my week was like and see what this week's results are. So if you are not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So it is day 1, week 2. So really chuffed that I lost 3 pounds last week. Really am happy about it. Obviously the little cynic in me wishes it was a little bit more, but because girly time and all of that, which I may add, it's still going on now, but yeah, we'll try and forget about that. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it because a loss is a loss. I'm just getting ready for my day, doing my hair, having my morning shake with a little pinky up there. So later I am going to be doing a shepherd's pie for dinner for everybody. I don't know what my snacks are going to be today. I don't know. I want to eat naughty things. That's always been my problem. This is the week where we introduce exercise into the mix. So tonight I am going to find a YouTube video to do, I think. Nighttime. I fell asleep and it is, what time is it? 2 minutes past 11. Interesting. So I am quickly going to hoist some leggings on and a t-shirt, and I'm going to hoist my exercise mat down and just quickly find some exercises to do on my exercise mat. So yeah. I had my shepherd's pie, cottage pie, and yeah, I'll put a picture of it here. Very nice, absolutely gorgeous if I do say so myself. Really enjoyed it. Definitely what the doctor ordered. So yes, I wanted to be in bed by now, but yeah, no, we're not going to bed. We're going to find an exercise to do. So yeah, I will film it and speed it up for you because that will be my proof that I did it. Bring it on. So the exercise video I'm doing is Lazy Girl Full Body Workout. It's only 7 minutes with no jumping. It's by Vicky Justice, and I will link it down below if you want to try it out yourself. Really easy. 7 minutes goes really quickly. I did it because basically it was so late at night. But during the day I had my both shakes, I had some snacks, I had a yogurt, a jelly, an apple, a banana and a carrot. It's Tuesday, day 2, and I am at the hospital getting my infusion done for my Crohn's. I get it every 8 weeks. And yeah, as you can see, I'm just sitting here snacking on some grapes. I had my shake before I left the house. And yeah, I'm pretty much gonna be absolutely knackered after having this infusion. So exercise is not looking very likely today, unfortunately, but I don't mind because the infusion, it's pretty tough going. I get really rough from it. Right, I am back home from my infusion and I am feeling rough. I'm so tired. My dad has just come in, bless him, and he has got me a fish and chip for my lunch. I was in 2 minds thinking, oh god, should I eat it, shouldn't I? And you know what, I'm gonna eat it. I've had my infusion, I feel like crap. This will be my big meal of the day, and later on, instead of having my tea, I'll have a shake instead. That's when I'll have my second shake. So I'll just swap it around. I'm gonna eat this. That's my belly making noises. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna have a nap. Normally I feel rough for the rest of the day after I've had my infusion, and then the day after I feel like a hangover. So it is day 3 of week 2, and I'm feeling rough, very, very rough indeed, because of my infusion yesterday. But I've had my first shake today. I'm just having a snack. I'm just having these. These are the ones I was meant to pick up the other day. But they are absolutely gorgeous. Seriously, try them. They're a protein snack. The pork scratchings, but the puffy ones, is 134 calories in here. So I'm just having this as my snack. I'm gonna have my shake later, if all goes to plan. And then I'm having a jacket potato tonight. I didn't manage to do any exercise last night. I was knocked out. Basically, I was so, I wouldn't necessarily say ill, but I was so drowsy, felt a bit awful, to be honest. So here is my jacket potato, having chicken and bacon and meal, garlic meal. It looks a bit weird because I've already taken the jacket off. I don't like having the skin with my jacket potato. And unfortunately I didn't manage to get any exercise done on the night time either, because again I didn't feel 100%, and I thought I'm not going to be doing exercise when I'm not feeling good. So yeah, that's why there's no exercise today. Is day 4. I am feeling a little bit more alive today, and yeah, I've had my first shake already. It's about mid-morning, so I'm just about to have a snack, and I am going to be having one of these. It is a Muller Light chocolate fix with Belgian chocolate, milk chocolate. I've said that totally wrong, but never mind. And it's mint flavour. These are absolutely gorgeous. It's 97 calories per pot. So I'm going to be having one of these. I picked them up today, and I picked these up today as well. I've got a major sweet tooth going on. I fancy chocolate and all sorts. So that's why I picked this up, because it's chocolate. And then this, again, to help with a sweet tooth. So it's just Tesco's own brand sweet and salty popcorn, because I fancy salt as well. So this kind of nips 2 things in the bud. Let's have a look. There's 68 calories in there. So yes, this is going to be my mid-morning snack. I am meeting a friend for lunch today, so hopefully I can get something not too bad. Again, I'm not going to feel guilty about it because it's life at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm going to go out for lunch. I probably won't have my evening meal tonight. I'll probably make this my main meal of the day. Can't talk, I really can't talk. So yeah, that's probably what I'll do. So I'll have me shake later on tonight. It's actually very late at night. So yeah, I went out for lunch with my friend, and we ended up actually going to McDonald's, and I had a burger and fries, and a drink, and then yeah, came home, had my shake, haven't had any snacks. I haven't really been feeling snacky, and yeah, I've just been working in my little beauty room, doing videos and stuff. So I'm actually really tired, and I forgot to exercise today, so I quickly need to go and do that and get some energy from somewhere. But I'll film it and see what we can do. Yeah. Right, so this is the same workout as I did the other night. It's the same Lazy Girl 7-minute workout. Not great, I know, but it literally is better than nothing. Really disappointed in myself. It is day 5. It is a Friday, and I am going out tonight, so really excited for that. I've had a shake already today, and I've just got myself 2 tiger buns, and I put some cream cheese on and some cured meat. What do you call the cured meat? Let me get it. This one right here. It's this gorgeous cured meat. What I was looking for was bagels, but they didn't have any. Of course, when I want them, they haven't got them. So yeah, I got some tiger buns, and I've just put some cream cheese on and that. So I'm having that. I'm gonna have my shake later on in the day, and I'm not gonna eat before I go out. because I can't eat and drink at the same time, like alcohol wise. If I get peckish when I'm out, I'll pick something up when I'm out. But yeah, these look and smell gorgeous, and I know they're gonna taste good, so yum. That's the shiz. It's night time. I'm just on my way out right now. You may notice something different. I dyed my hair. It's very dark grey. But yes, I'm on my way out. So yes, I had that food that you saw. I've had my second shake. I haven't eaten anything else. As I say, when I go out and I go and have an alcoholic beverage or two, which I plan to have maybe more than two. Yeah, food and alcohol and Crohn's don't go together all together. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully not hungover, but I'm gonna have a lie-in anyway because I've got a night shift tomorrow night. But yeah, right guys, so there's actually no day 6 or day 7 footage, unfortunately. So when I got back in from my night out, obviously went to bed and what have you. Then when I woke up, I was preparing, get myself ready throughout the day for my night shift. So I kind of didn't film. And then when I got in after my night shift and obviously slept, when I woke up I actually wasn't feeling too well. So yeah, I did not film. Wasn't much was missed, to be honest. I had my shakes on both days, snacks in between, and I'm trying to think, what did I have at work? Ah yeah, my work meal, it was a Christmas dinner that I got free from work because yeah, they were doing Christmas dinners, and that's about it. So I have weighed myself and what have you. Let's pop that footage in here to see what the results are. So not the best results. I'm really disappointed, if I'm honest. I've only lost a pound this week, but I have got to take into consideration this week I had my infusion, so I didn't really do as much exercise as I wanted. The only exercising I did was a few of them 7-minute lazy girl workouts. That's not going to cut it, let's face it. It's just not going to cut it. If I want to do exercise, it's going to have to be more than that. I had a fish and chip lunch. I had McDonald's. I went out on a night out. I'm actually counting myself pretty lucky that I actually lost a pound. I'm quite lucky I didn't put weight on. So I need to slap myself on the wrist, sort my life out and make week 3 count for something. I want to see more than a pound come off the scale this week. So yeah, keep tuned. Next week I will upload my week 3 and there better be better results. I'm gonna have to be more behaved because yeah, this week totally went downhill. I can't keep saying, oh yeah, but I'm not going to feel guilty about this because yeah, which is fine every now and then, but not so many times in the same week. Yeah, but again, it's a loss, a pound. It's better than staying the same, and it's better than putting on weight. I'm putting this behind me, start week 3, and yeah, try and get some proper exercising done, and see how we go. But yeah, that basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.